ang bumabalik dito si Willie Miller.
Matagal, ano?
Oo, mula nung first quarter, hindi siya bumalik. Hindi natin alam kung may sakit si Willie Miller. Bakit hindi na maibalik?
Running shot by Menk. He'll go visit the free throw line.
Well, ang nangyayari na lang dito sa Barangay Ginebra at the moment, parang si Eric Menk lang at saka yung kanyang import na nagtatrabaho sa opensa. No?
Hindi, walang production.
Yung mga iba, halos hindi mo, without willing to help. You know, Tubi, they have a little run there. Pero wala far and in between, no? Kaya importante yung may consistent na player na makakatulong sa yung bumalik.
Anong kutob mo, Dr. J? Nagpapakiramdaman pa sila bilang magkakampi si Miller at saka yung mga teammates nila.
Yeah, that definitely is true. We're really talking about
may nag-cue, ano?
My friend. Really, you know, I think they really need him to come back. You know, wala naman sama ng loob si Willie Salaska, but obviously, lalaro ng mabigat yan, no? I mean, siyempre, kung si Baguio, pinaglalaro at sila sa kabila.
And the Cage's official underwear of the PBA.
LA Tenorio had a cut lip there because he was elbowed, so, but after being stitched, you know, taken care of, he's back in the ball game.
They don't have cut men in basketball, but they've done a good job. He's now gone.
Really with a nice block. I think that was Larry Fonseca was trying to take that shot, so
nabasa ni Willie, ano? Outside the heel. Yes!
Michael Brown. Nag-timeout si Coach Jong. He wasn't happy about the lineup, what they were doing on defense, leaving Baguio wide open. So ito, nag-timeout siya, pinalit na lineup, pinaupo niya yung Amerikano niya. Dito muna, Agro Small.
Larry's open. That's short.
Agro Small and scramble sa rebound.
Go for it down under. And look at Tubi, fight for it.
You know, actually, Tubi could have come back and gotten that because that is not going to be a backing if the ball hasn't crossed. Even if you have crossed, you can come back and pick it up if the ball hasn't crossed the line. Pero nag-alangan siya, that's why they almost lost it. Parang sa loob-loob niya, baka mabaking ako.
Sanay sa takluhan.
Ayan, again, Hatfield, small lineup, shooting 3-point shots, but a little bit quicker. Puro hustling ang ginagawa nila sa depensa. Oh, that's offensive foul. Put the head down there by Hugnatan, and Eric made sure that the referees
would see that. And now, Ginebra trying to whip up a storm here of their own. Alaska hanging on to a 6-point lead. I think that's my telephone that's ringing. Somebody, I'll get it. In the meantime, back to this one, 67-61. Top of the keyhole. Hesitation by the Major. Decision. This where's it to be called? His turn to be called for the offensive foul. Is it not?
Yeah, if it is an offensive foul, let's see. No. Foul called against Hugnatan.
Third shot should be a reaction from Team Code usually. Pero wala, ito.
They was in the circle. Blocking foul. Went together and explained. Teka muna, partner. Hindi ba primary defender yung hindi ho? Because a primary defender can be inside the circle.
Yes.
In that lane. But Eric had to go by a defender to get that position. Eric has also been doing well with his free throw shots.
Let's check with Roy how many Menk has nailed in terms of the free throws. Bagal mag-add.
5 out of 7, total of 16 points.
Biglang bumilis nung tinignan.
But 4 free throws, 4 personal fouls na. No?
Yun lang.
Kung tinawagan siya doon, biglang upo yan. 5, third quarter, 5.
Biglang na matutulog yung opensa na Ginebra naman. Although they are going small, but they do need Menk to be the hub there.
You have to have an anchor no matter how small you are.
Yeah, indeed. Well said. Tenorio and company whipped it around, looking for the best possible opportunity.
Nakasona pa dito ang Ginebra na sinotis. Hesitation on the part of Durant. Ayan naman. Then you have to get somebody to get the ball.
Ready?
Ayan na si Willie Miller. Yung hesitation move niya, sabay go to the left. At yung isang lamang na yun, o 13, biglang 2 na lamang. 11, naging 2 na lamang.
At saka hinanapan ng angulo yung layup na yun, ano? Wow, Mr. Cordiality pala talaga, eh, no?
May timeout yata dito ng ang Alaska dito.
Okay, gamitin natin yung timeout ito.
Get any better than this.
Balik ko tayo rito sa Cebu Coliseum. Let's review this slice of action in our BMEG Power Move brought to you by Derby Ace Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Liamado. Hinanapan ang angulo talaga.
A good defense there by Tony De La Cruz, who was backing up. Medyo you could see a little of the right hand of Willie clearing him out, and Tony was looking for that, but maybe not enough contact really to be called for a warding.
Ano, kasama na rin ni Miller itong karamihan dito sa national team, eh, no?
Of course, and he was a member of this team for a long while, so he knows their moves and they know his moves.
Takes one to know one situation, ano?
So, but it's a big run. Jongyu Chico gambling on a timeout, going small, sitting down his import, and all of a sudden that 11-point lead is down to only 2. But under 3 minutes left sa third quarter.
Ang pinaglalabanan dito, aside from third place, Dr. J, is sino masaya sa aeroplano bukas. Sayang, sabi ni Tony De La Cruz.
Well, they knew that Ginebra was going to go to the zone, so they attacked, going to the corners where there was a quick double team, and then they had the cutter from the weak side getting open, and the pass was given up.
Rudy Hatfield has collected his third personal foul, and De La Cruz is on the strike.
Pretty good free throw shooter, but he missed that one. Look at that big forward lineup dyan ng Alaska. Simpson, Devance, and in this case, Tony De La Cruz, about 6'4", maybe a little bit more. Sanitos having to sit down with 4 personal fouls. Split charities here, but a safe 3-point lead at the moment for Alaska.
Going into the final 2 minutes and 47 seconds of chapter number 3. Phoenix PBA on tour presentation here today. Nice good shot.
Good block by Simpson. Not in my house.
Not here.
Yung mga malalaki, nag-volleyball doon sa area.
Actually, hindi talaga papasok yung unang ano, alam lang nila, no?
And
Eddie Miller trying to take over this game.
there's nobody who does that spin in our country better than he does in the PGA.
He'll throw you off completely.
Yeah, that spin. And then, you know, he stops, no? Then he really gets himself in good balance, good position for the shot.
Can you imagine a happy child dribbling the basketball on the streets? Spinning around by himself.
Siguro, ang daming umayaw dyan. Ang daming kalaban niya na umayaw.
Ikaw na lang maglaro. Tapos nakatawa siya. Hindi pa ako tapos.
Wala akong kalaro. Ito na naman ako.
Ay, anak kayo. Ito na dumulang.
At medyo napabilis ang talon ni Eric Nett. Hindi, mapapalo up niya.
Oh, naaga masyado yung ni Cyrus, ano? Parang he was forced into stopping, and that created some kind of congestion in the box.
Well, I think most of the teams when you talk about transition defense, alam mo kung sino mabilis doon sa kabila. So, you know, you send guys there to obviously come back on defense quicker, and you must stop the ball, especially pagkatulad ni Cyrus. Dahil pag pinabayaan mo mag-dribble yan sa open court, goodbye ka na dyan.
May sariling version ng sabi na pag-usapan nga natin, mababang crossover, may mataas na crossover. Parang piloto yun.
Oh, this is very good coaching by Coach John, because what you see here is he brings back the import. Even though okay yung lineup niya, maganda linalaro niya, and he came back. But it's also time to refreshen up some of the other guys.
Crowd beginning to bristle with excitement again. That shot does not work. Somebody's collarbone was ripped away.
That could be a net, and that's number 5. I mean, plus 2 free throws because of the penalty situation. Si Eric Nett yata ang foul.
Yes.
That's 4 personal.
4 personals
4
pa
pa
lang.
lang.
Pasensya ka na, pare kasi itong scorer ko kanina pag ginawang 4 si Mink. Siguro nakita